So I want to introduce you this. This is the first tool I'm going to describe to you. Is a scenario tool, and sometimes you can actually design a scenario in a design process. In this case, the scenario is in course of design. To be honest, so we will have. Something in a while for you to work on. But basically, yes, I will describe this. We call it sustainable design orienting scenario. Okay, in the scenario theory or discipline, there are different types of scenarios. The scenario that we are using, that we develop, are those that orientate the designer in designing something that is sustainable. So it should be an inspiring tool about designing something. Nevertheless, I will describe this tool in terms of aims and then how to use it, the integration in the MSDS design process, and where we can find these and what are the requested resources. Can you hear me? No? Yes? Okay, good. So actually, the aim, as I said, of design-oriented scenario or sustainability design-oriented scenario is to take the designer into a new work, a new paradigm shift, a new way of producing and consuming, of interacting between people, artifact, and so on. Okay, especially because we understood that sustainability asks for radical innovation. So it means that we have to, somehow change our mindset, and so we have to have something that take us into that new, hopeful coming reality, and that is made by 4 video related to 4 vision, that is how a scenario is composed of, and by some sub-videos that are describing the offer payment, the system configuration, and sustainability. And how to use it, you simply, you download it, you open the tool, and then the tool appears like this. It's in this case is a PowerPoint presentation, but it could be something else. And then you simply click on the 4 vision to run a short video that introduces each of the 4 vision. Okay, and this is introduced by a story with some key characteristics that help a chief to understand by a real story what are in fact those key characteristics. But then after this, actually we have some sub-video that open up the mind from one story, okay, with a key characteristic, but one story is one story, to the overall possibility of each of the 4 vision. So the stakeholder could be different. So what are the different stakeholders? The modality of payment or the offer could be different, and what are the sustainability potential and so on. So this is even those sub-video are provided in this tool. So after watching the first 4, you can watch the other 3 sub-video. And where we are using, so this is the scheme of the MSD methodology, and where we are using this in the exploring of opportunity phase before the idea generation, okay, or is part of the idea generation. So before generating idea, let's be immersed in this new scenario. And where we find this, you can download this in copyleft at the Lens platform in the tool page in the scenario, SPSS MDA, that's the name. And actually what is needed, you need a computer, a PowerPoint reader, in this case, because this is a PowerPoint made, and of course an internet connection. And it takes not more than 15 minutes. Maybe you may have a discussion right after, but they are short videos, so that's the time which is requested to go through this